L3Harris Technologies has secured a significant $487.3 million cost-plus fixed contract from the U.S. Department of Defense for the modernization of enterprise terminals. The company will also provide depot and engineering support services as part of the contract, which is set to be completed by 2030. The contract is managed by the Army Contracting Command at Aberdeen Proving Ground, and the specific area of implementation will be determined with each order as the project progresses. This partnership is not new, as L3Harris and the Army have collaborated on similar contracts in the past. For instance, the company received a $300 million buy order in January to supply the Army with handheld, man-pack, and small form-fit radios. The defense industry is experiencing a significant shift, driven by growing geopolitical fragmentation and strategic competition in AI. As a result, national security and resilience are becoming increasingly important, creating opportunities for defense companies like L3Harris. With the U.S. and NATO members increasing their military spending, the industry is poised for growth, and companies that can profitably invest in emerging areas of defense are likely to reap the benefits. The Stockholm International Peace Research Institute estimates that world military spending hit $2.7 trillion last year, up 9.4% from 2023, and global AI spending is expected to reach $630 billion by 2028. With the Republican spending bill likely to add around $113 billion to the Pentagon budget, companies like L3Harris are well positioned to benefit from the growing demand for defense technologies. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.